Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. I know it's been a while since I posted something, but I've been busy with school and other stuff. Today we're making cassava flour. I know this is not my typical kind of video, but I needed it for a contract that at the time was not getting the results that I needed. But it ended up turning out really well with the cassava flour. I just peel the cassava and cut it into smaller sections. Then I'm going to take each section and cut it into half and remove the beard-like structure from the center of it. Then I'm going to cut it into thin strips. Cassava flour is a great substitute for wheat flour. It can actually be used in a 1-to-1 ratio for all-purpose flour. You can also use cassava flour to make cakes, cookies, and muffins. I'm using this cassava flour to make a gluten-free all-purpose flour blend, which is linked in the description box below. Typically, cassava is boiled before using it. The peel contains a harmful chemical called cyanide, which usually is killed by boiling it. But since I don't have a dehydrator and I'm using the oven, which is a heat source to dry out the cassava, I decided not to boil it. If you want to boil your cassava, there are specific instructions on the website. Just click on the link in the description box. One health benefit of cassava is it is rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C plays an integral role in vascular function and can restore vitamin E. If you want to know more about the health benefits of cassava, the link is in the description box below. I'm going to place the cassava chips onto a parchment-lined cookie sheet and bake them for 8 to 10 hours until they are completely dry. This is what they came out looking like. As you can see, they are completely dehydrated. You want to make sure that they are completely dried, because if they're not, the moisture would cause mold to grow in your cassava flour. I added the cassava chips to a blender and ground them into a fine flour. I poured the cassava into a fine mesh sieve set over a bowl to catch any large pieces of cassava. And this is how it came out. As you can see, it looks like all-purpose flour. It has a relatively neutral flavor and it has the powdery texture of flour. Like I said, you can use this cassava flour just like regular flour. I use it in baked goods and they come out pretty good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.